Hello everyone, welcome to Simsad Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. Today's video is about trendy chemical peel. Are you worried about the trendy 30% AHA plus 2% BHA solution? Today I will tell you my practical experienced advice for you about its risks, procedure, best brands, clinical evidence and more. So watch complete video to get best advice and subscribe my channel, not to miss latest updates. Section 1. What is a 30% AHA plus 2% BHA peeling solution? A 30% AHA plus 2% BHA peeling solution is a chemical exfoliant that combines two powerful acids, alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, and beta hydroxy acid, BHAs. AHAs, including glycolic and lactic acid, are water-soluble acids derived from natural sources like fruits and milk. Glycolic acid, with its small molecular size, penetrates deeply to exfoliate dead skin cells and stimulate collagen production, while lactic acid offers gentler exfoliation with added hydrating benefits. On the other hand, BHA, typically salicylic acid, is oil-soluble, allowing it to penetrate deep into pores to dissolve sebum, unclog congestion, and combat acne-causing bacteria. The specific 30% AHA concentration is formulated for intensive resurfacing, targeting stubborn concerns like hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and uneven texture. The effectiveness of this peel also hinges on its pH level, which is carefully balanced at approximately 3.6, making it potent yet suitable for at-home use when applied correctly. Section 2. Mechanism of action, how it transforms skin. The 30% AHA plus 2% BHA peeling solution works through a powerful dual-action process. AHAs, like glycolic and lactic acid, dissolve the desmosomes, protein bonds that hold dead skin cells together, allowing for effective shedding of dull, damaged layers. This surface exfoliation reveals fresher, brighter skin while smoothing texture and minimizing fine lines. Meanwhile, BHA, salicylic acid, penetrates deep into pores, breaking down sebum plugs and dissolving the mix of oil, dead skin, and bacteria that cause blackheads and whiteheads. By decongesting pores, it prevents future breakouts and reduces their appearance. Beyond immediate exfoliation, this peel delivers long-term regenerative benefits. AHAs stimulate fibroblasts in the dermis, boosting type 1 collagen production for firmer, plumper skin over time. Regular use also strengthens the skin barrier by promoting a thicker, more resilient stratum corneum, critical for retaining moisture and defending against irritants. Additionally, AHAs interfere with melanin transfer, disrupting the pathway that leads to hyperpigmentation. This makes the peel highly effective for fading acne scars, sunspots, and melasma, resulting in a more even-toned complexion. Together, these mechanisms make this solution a multitasking powerhouse for skin renewal. According to Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, a 12-week study showed 30% glycolic acid peels reduced wrinkles by 27%. According to a dermatology surgery, 2% salicylic acid decreases acne lesions by 45 to 60%. Section 3. Step-by-step application protocol. Proper preparation and application are crucial for maximizing results while minimizing irritation from the 30% AHA plus 2% BHA peel. Begin pre-peel prep 24 to 48 hours in advance by discontinuing retinoids and other strong actives to avoid compounding irritation. Avoid waxing or depilation during this period, as the peel can increase the risk of chemical burns on freshly exfoliated skin. Before full face application, always conduct a patch test by applying a small amount to the jawline or behind the ear, and waiting 24 hours to check for adverse reactions like excessive redness or stinging. On application day, start with a gentle, low pH cleanser to remove impurities without disrupting the skin's natural barrier. Ensure your skin is completely dry before applying the peel. Any residual water can dilute the acids, reducing efficacy and increasing uneven absorption. Use a silicone brush for application to prevent the acids from absorbing into your fingertips, ensuring even distribution. Make sure you applying only a thin layer, don't excess it or don't apply to areas where already applied, as it will lead to skin burn. Time is critical. First-time users should start with just 3 to 5 minutes, gradually increasing to a maximum of 10 minutes as tolerance builds. Overexposure can lead to irritation, so set a timer. After the allotted time, Thoroughly rinse with cool water to neutralize the acids and halt their activity. Section 4. Post-care after this peel. Post-peel recovery is just as important as the peel itself. For the first 24 hours, avoid all actives, including retinol, vitamin C, and physical exfoliants, to prevent further irritation. Instead, focus on soothing ingredients like Centella asiatica and panthenol to calm the skin. After 48 hours, you can resume your normal skincare routine, but sunscreen with SPF 50+ becomes absolutely mandatory. Newly exfoliated skin is highly vulnerable to UV damage, which can worsen hyperpigmentation and inflammation. Following these steps ensures a safe, effective peel with minimal downtime. Section 5. Benefits. What can you realistically expect? The 30% AHA plus 2% BHA Peeling Solution delivers transformative results at different stages, making it a versatile treatment for multiple skin concerns. In the short term, 1 to 4 weeks, users notice an instant glow as dead skin cells are sloughed away, revealing fresher, more radiant skin underneath. Blackheads and sebaceous filaments visibly diminish as the BHA deeply cleanses pores, while makeup applies more smoothly without clinging to dry patches or uneven texture. Over the long term, 4 to 12 weeks, the peel's true power emerges. Acne scars and sunspots fade significantly, with studies showing 40 to 70% improvement in hyperpigmentation. Breakouts become less frequent as pores normalize, and skin elasticity improves due to increased collagen production stimulated by AHAs. Beyond these core benefits, the peel offers bonus effects. Skincare products absorb 2 to 3 times deeper without a barrier of dead skin, and stubborn milia, those tiny white keratin bumps, gradually dissolve with consistent use. Whether you're targeting acne, aging, or dullness, this peel provides comprehensive improvements for a healthier, more refined complexion. Section 6. Ideal candidates for this peel. This peel is best suitable for people with oily or acne-prone skin. It is best for controlling excess oil and breakouts. It is also best for people with combination skin, dry skin, sensitive or aging skin. People with dry skin should use it cautiously as AHAs can be drying for skin. People who should avoid it are those who have active sunburn, those with open wounds, or eczema. Avoid if pregnant or breastfeeding. Consult an esthetician or dermatologist first. And avoid if you use retinoids or strong actives. Section 7. Managing side effects and damage control. Chemical peels, especially potent formulas like the 30% AHA plus 2% BHA solution, can sometimes cause temporary side effects as your skin adjusts. Let me tell you how to address them, as it is crucial for maintaining skin health while benefiting from the treatment. Redness is a typical response caused by vasodilation, the temporary widening of blood vessels as acids penetrate the skin. This usually subsides within a few hours. Applying 5% niacinamide can help calm inflammation and reduce visible redness due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Flaking occurs as the peel accelerates cell turnover, shedding dead skin faster than usual. While this is part of the exfoliation process, excessive flaking can be managed by applying a thin layer of petroleum jelly at night to lock in moisture and support the skin healing process. Burning or intense stinging indicates overexposure. If this happens, rinse immediately with cool water. For extra relief, milk can be used as a neutralizing rinse. Its lactic acid content helps counteract irritation while soothing the skin. If you experience overexfoliation signs, increased breakouts, and stinging with moisturizers, then switch to barrier repair creams like La Roche-Posay Cicaplast or any other for 1 to 2 weeks. Section 8. Best brands products for this peeling solution. Best commercial peels are 1. The ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution, which is most popular, or the Paula's Choice 25% AHA plus 2% BHA peel gentler alternative. For sensitive skin, 5 to 10% lactic acid plus 0.5 to 1% salicylic acid, lower strength for beginners, is more suitable. Final verdict. The 30% AHA plus 2% BHA peel is a game changer for acne, aging, and hyperpigmentation, if used correctly. Consult an esthetician or dermatologist if you experience any side effects. I hope you liked this video. Ready to transform your skin? Start slow, stay consistent, and watch your complexion glow like never before. Subscribe my channel, not to miss latest updates.